Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at DannyGS.thoughtfortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. A plan from the start. You fall because you're an imperfect being, treading the path of imperfections. You fall because sometimes temptations exceed the gift of wisdom. You fall because you're a work in progress, bound to know yourself better. You're a work of art, awaiting the finished product, while still treading in the land of imperfections. But once the work is done, you'll look at it from a distance. The bright colored canvas with all the oily paintings you created. You'll smile and say, it all worked itself out. And God was still with me in the rocky beginnings. And inevitably, He had a plan from the start. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. So if you're able, just close your eyes and think about the good in your life right now. I am grateful for the floors I have. I'm grateful for the walls around me. And I'm grateful for the ceiling. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.